Is your 2014-2019 Toyota Highlander key fob not working consistently? A dead battery is the most common cause. These models use a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery, costing around $2 to $5. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool. To begin, locate the small notch on the fob's side. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. Positive side usually is. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the case back together securely. That's it. Most remote failures are caused by the battery. If the fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery's polarity and ensure the case is fully closed. Consider using genuine Toyota batteries for best performance, as aftermarket options can sometimes have compatibility issues. Cold weather can reduce battery efficiency by up to 20%, so this is a common issue in winter. If problems persist, software glitches or a faulty circuit board could be the cause, requiring professional diagnosis at a Toyota dealership. Remember to recycle your old batteries responsibly. Some newer Highlanders can alert owners via the Toyota app when the key fob battery is low. If all else fails, refer to your owner's manual or a trusted mechanic.